Agentic AI and autonomous orchestration. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for Agentic AI and autonomous orchestration, beginner level introduction. Agentic AI and autonomous orchestration means using AI agents that can think, plan, act, and coordinate tasks automatically without constant human control. Instead of a single AI system, this approach uses multiple AI agents, automated workflows, intelligent coordination. These systems can make decisions, execute tasks, communicate with other agents, adapt to changing conditions. Examples include AI assistants completing tasks end-to-end, autonomous customer support systems, AI managing supply chains, multi-agent automation platforms, self-operating business workflows. This topic helps beginners understand how AI systems can become independent and self-managing. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to AI systems that act like independent agents. They can observe the environment, make decisions, take actions, learn and adapt. In simple words, Agentic AI equals AI that can act on its own to achieve goals. What is autonomous orchestration? Autonomous orchestration is the process of coordinating multiple agents and systems automatically. In simple words, autonomous orchestration equals AI managing and coordinating tasks without human intervention. Why agentic AI is important? Traditional AI systems only respond to inputs, do not take initiative. Agentic AI takes initiative, plans actions, solves problems independently, handles complex workflows. Why autonomous orchestration is important? Modern systems involve multiple services, complex workflows, distributed systems. Orchestration helps coordinate systems, automate workflows, improve efficiency, reduce human effort. Basic components of agentic AI. Component purpose: perception, understand environment, decision-making, choose actions, action, execute tasks, memory, store information, learning, improve over time. Basic components of orchestration. Component purpose: workflow engine, manage process steps, task manager, assign tasks, connect agents, monitoring, track progress, automation, execute actions. Example of agent data: agent equals goal, complete order, status active, priority high. Example of agent decision: goal equals complete order. If goal equals complete order, print start processing order. Simple agentic AI example: Python, def agent action task. If task equals email, print sending email. If task equals report, print generating report. Agent action: email. How agentic AI works. Step 1, define goal. Goal equals book ticket. Step 2, plan actions. Steps equals search, select, pay. Step 3, execute tasks for step and steps. Print executing, step. Monitor progress. Status equals completed. Print status. How autonomous orchestration works. Agents equals planner, executor, monitor. Step 2, task distribution tasks equals task 1, task 2. 4, task in tasks. Print assigning task. Step 3, coordination. Print agents communicating. Step 4, completion. Print workflow completed. AI in multi-agent collaboration. Agents work together. Agents equals A, B, C. 4, agent in agents. Print agent working. AI in autonomous systems. AI completes tasks without humans. Task equals order processing. If task, print processing automatically. AI in workflow automation. Agentic AI integrates with workflows. Workflow equals start, process, end. 4, step in workflow. Print step. AI in decision systems. Agents make intelligent decisions. Risk equals 0.3. If risk 0.5, print proceed. Full menu-based agentic AI example. Def execute task. Task is input. Enter task. Print executing. Task. Def plan workflow. Goal equals input. Enter goal. Print planning steps for. Def monitor system. Print monitoring agents. MN. While true. Print N1. Execute task. Print 2. Plan workflow. Print 3. Monitor system. Print 4. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1. Execute task. Elif choice equals 2. Plan workflow. Elif choice equals 3. Monitor system. Elif choice equals 4. Break. Else print invalid choice. Concepts learned. Check. Agent-based systems. Check. Autonomous decision-making. Check. Workflow orchestration. Check. Multi-agent collaboration. Check. Distributed AI systems. Check. Real-world automation. Real-life analogy. Agentic AI is like a team of smart workers. Autonomous orchestration is like a manager coordinating the team automatically. Together, they correct, plan work, execute tasks, coordinate actions, complete goals. Ways to improve a project. Use frameworks, LangChain, AutoGPT. Implement multi-agent systems. Add real-time communication. Use APIs for integration. Add learning capabilities. Build dashboards. Use event-driven architecture. Add monitoring tools. Common mistakes beginners make. Knock. Treating agents as simple scripts. Knock. Ignoring coordination. Not defining clear goals. Knock. Overcomplicating workflows. Knock. Lack of error handling. Where it is used. Autonomous business systems. Customer support automation. Supply chain management. Robotics. Smart cities. Finance systems. Healthcare automation. Enterprise AI platforms. Large systems may include multi-agent platforms, workflow engines, AI orchestration systems, distributed architectures. Simple definition. Agentic AI. AI systems that can act independently to achieve goals. Autonomous orchestration. The automatic coordination of multiple AI agents and workflows. Final summary. Agentic AI and autonomous orchestration represent the future of AI systems that can act independently, coordinate tasks, automate workflows, solve complex problems. They enable self-managing intelligent systems for real-world applications.